Hello everyone, welcome back to another brand new video of Curious Math Ventures. Today we're going to share an exciting new trick, which is an improvised version of the one we showed you in the previous video. If you haven't seen the previous video yet, I suggest you watch it first. You can click here too. Now let's get started with this new and amazing trick. For this trick, we will be using 1 master card and 3 slave cards. In the previous video, we used 4 slave cards, but this time we will only need 3. Without further ado, let's dive into the trick. I will demonstrate the trick in a one-on-one conversation with my friend so that you can see how it works in real life. Are you ready? Let's do it. Hey, let's see another self-revealing card trick that's even more amazing than the earlier one. Yeah, let's do it. Here is the number card. Select any one number and just tell me the color of your chosen number. Red. Great. Now I'm going to show you the 3 slave cards, one after the other. You just need to tell me the color of your chosen number on each card, whether it's red or blue. Understood. Here's the first card. What's the color of your number? Red. Here's the second card. What's the color of your number? Blue. And finally, here's the third and last card. Blue. We're all set. Now I'll stack the master card and all the slave cards together. The answer you're looking for is 4. Yes! That's amazing! How did you do that? It's fantastic! Now let's take a look at the concepts and principles behind this self-revealing card trick. This trick involves 1 master card and 3 slave cards. It's an improvised version of the earlier trick, using only 3 slave cards instead 4. The trick utilizes indirect half-elimination, binary logic of red or blue colors, and the 3 rotational symmetry angles of a square, namely 0, 90, and 180 degrees. Number card. The number card consists of a 3 times 3 square grid at the top right corner. 8 numbers from 1 to 4 and 9 to 12 are written in red, from left to right. The remaining 8 numbers from 5 to 8 and 13 to 16 are written in blue, from left to right in the bottom left corner following a specific pattern. You can refer to the image of the number card for better understanding. Key card. The key card has numbers 1 to 4 and 9 to 12 occupying the top right and bottom left corners in a specific order. The remaining 8 numbers from 5 to 8 and 13 to 16 occupy the top left and bottom right corners following a specific order with a 90-degree tilt. You can refer the image of the key card for better understanding. The master card is created by combining the number card and the key card with a mountain fold in the middle. The construction of the 3 slave cards involves cutting and removing the 4 white squares from each slave card. Note the 4 white squares are created using 180 degrees rotational symmetry to achieve the desired indirect half-elimination for this trick. Here's how to perform the trick. Ask a participant to select a number from the master card and tell you the color of their chosen number, red or blue. If the answer is red, keep the master card without any rotation and hold it. If the answer is blue, rotate the master card 90 degrees clockwise and hold to it. Provide the 3 slave cards to the participant one after the other and ask them to tell you the color of their chosen number on each slave card. Based on their answers, red or blue, stack the 3 slave cards behind the master card. If the answer is red, simply stack the slave card behind the master card without any rotation. If the answer is blue, rotate the slave card 180 degrees and then stack it behind the master card. Orientation of cards. Master card. If the selected number is red, no rotation is needed. If it's blue, rotate it 90 degrees clockwise. Slave card. If the selected number is red, no rotation is needed. Just place it behind the master card. If it's blue, rotate it 180 degrees and then place it behind the master card. The spectator will be amazed when you reveal their chosen number, which you can clearly see from your end or on the rear side of the stacked pile. Note: the 3 slave cards can be randomly stacked behind the key card. There is no specific order to stack them behind. Here are a couple of examples based on red and blue colors. Example for number 4. The selected number 4 is red in the master card, so no rotation is needed. Note the red band is on top. Now let's see how the indirect half-elimination happens from the key card point of view. when we stack the 3 slave cards based on the answers received. Slave card 1. Number 4 is red, so without rotation, stack it behind the master card. Slave card 2. Number 4 is blue, so with a 180-degree rotation, stack it behind the master card. Slave card 3. Number 4 is blue, so with a 180-degree rotation, stack it behind the master card. And the chosen number 4 is self-revealed. Example for number 8. The selected number 8 is blue in the master card, so a clockwise 90-degree rotation is needed so that the blue band will be on top. See the animation to know how the indirect half-elimination happens. Slave card 1. Number 8 is red, so without rotation, stack it behind the master card. Slave card 2. Number 8 is blue, so with a 180-degree rotation, stack it behind the master card. Slave card 3. Number 8 is blue, so with a 180-degree rotation, stack it behind the master card. And the chosen number 8 is self-revealed. The design and execution of the self-revealing binary 16 card trick, version 2, are based on the following principles. Master card is combinations of number card and key card. The master card is designed using binary logic of red and blue colors and symmetrical rotations of 180 degrees. The 2 groups of 8 numbers are strategically placed inside the 2 3x3 in master card and 4 2x2 grid for the key card. Indirect half-elimination. The trick utilizes indirect half-elimination, where 8 numbers are eliminated through specially designed 4 windowed slots in each 3 slave cards utilizing 180-degree rotational symmetry. This helps to achieve the desired effect of indirect half-elimination. Symmetrical rotations. Out of the 4 symmetrical angles of a square, 3 angles 0, 90, and 180 degrees are used in this trick to create variations and to reveal the chosen number. Binary reduction. Through the 2 orientations of the master card and 2 orientations of the slave cards, half the numbers are eliminated in each step, reducing the possibilities until the chosen number is revealed. The trick is performed using the binary color logic of red or blue instead of yes or no. By understanding the principles and concepts behind the trick, one can easily grasp the logic and even scale up the trick if desired. I hope this explanation clarifies the concepts and principles behind the trick. Enjoy performing it. Note: in both the 2 tricks we use the concept of series computing. If you wish to try out the trick for yourself, please click the link in the description box to download the PDF file to create all the cards needed to perform this trick. For your time, we are grateful. Please be aware that before you download the document, we are asking you to like, subscribe, and share it with your loved ones and friends so they can also enjoy the card-based tricks. You guys' unwavering support is the only reason we can continue to run this channel. Any feedback or inquiries regarding this trick are welcome. We'll try our best to reply to you in a way that you'll find acceptable. By the way, the topic of our upcoming video will be an improvised variation of the self-revealing number card trick based on ternary, base 3, logics using 3 colors namely red, green, blue, and parallel computing concepts.